Oh, man.
Steer it. Start going. Just use your legs. Put one leg up.
Put one leg on the board and start the bike.
What are you doing?
Go, man. Come on.
Are you recording?
Yeah, you got to get back over here.
I can't turn. Oh. Help me turn it back. Oh, okay, never mind.
Ride it back over here. Don't push it.
Okay.
Ha ha ha.